This next one I'm gonna make, some people call it Strawberry Bruschetta, and I'm just gonna call it strawberry toast. And I'm gonna do it two ways. Traditionally it's made with goat cheese and basil, and I know some people find that kind of pungent. I'm looking at you, Becca. So I'm gonna also make it with some ricotta and arugula, and it just lightens it up a bit. All right, here we go. We're gonna do strawberry toast. Here's everything you need. You need crostini, really ripe strawberries. These are about to go bad, so they're really good. Your cheese and your... Okay, so I spread cheese on each, ricotta here, the goat cheese here. I cut up the arugula and the basil, and now I'm just gonna start adding to my thing. You'll probably want to do 2 or 3. Alright guys, here's my favorite part, the balsamic drizzle.